Imagine this, a staggering 84% of companies that have fully embraced digital transformation report a significant increase in their market share. That's right, 84%. That's not a number to ignore. So what's the secret behind their success? Well, it's more than just implementing new technologies. It's about a mindset, a willingness to adapt, and a commitment to constant evolution in a digital world. This is the essence of digital transformation. Most companies understand the importance of using digital technologies to improve their business operations. However, the ones that truly excel, the ones that really make a mark, are those that go beyond this basic understanding. They not only adopt digital technologies, but adapt their entire business model and corporate culture to the digital era. Renowned business consultant John Hagel once said, "The digital revolution is far more significant than the invention of writing or even of printing." That's a bold statement, but it holds a deep truth. Digital transformation isn't just about technology, it's about reshaping the entire business. Another expert, Gene Ross, a principal research scientist at MIT's Center for Information Systems Research, puts it this way: the challenge for businesses is not just to invest in new technology, but to adapt their organizations to new strategic opportunities. Spot on, Gene. It's not just about having the latest software or gadgets. It's about identifying and seizing the opportunities that these technologies present. In a world where change is the only constant, adaptability becomes a critical factor for success. It's not enough to just keep pace with the digital revolution. Companies need to stay ahead of it. This means constantly learning, evolving, and adapting to new ways of doing things. Think about it. The biggest disruptors in the market today, the Amazons and Googles of the world, didn't just adopt digital technologies, they adapted their entire business model around them. They embraced change, they embraced the unknown, and they embraced the future. And look where it got them. Adaptability in the face of digital transformation is not just about surviving, it's about thriving. It's about seizing opportunities, driving innovation, and staying competitive. It's about being flexible, resilient, and agile. So the question is not whether to embrace digital transformation, the question is how to adapt to it. Remember, it's not the strongest or the most intelligent who will survive, but those who can best manage change. So gear up, embrace adaptability, and get ready for a digital revolution. In the words of Charles Darwin, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one most adaptable to change. So be that adaptable species, embrace digital transformation, and lead the business world into the future. Remember, the digital revolution waits for no one, so don't just join the revolution, lead it.